Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to active Android multitool. So at first we need to download Android multitool from androidmultitool.com. It's showing virus detected, so we need to turn off our antivirus. Now again download. After download, we need to run these tools. After the tools open, we need to click don't have an account. If you already have an account, then skip this step. Now we click don't have an account and need to register here. Here need to put email and name. Here need to put password as a new password. Here again need to put same password and click on register. It's showing user registered successfully. Login to continue. Okay. Now here we try to log in. Now it says your activation plan has been expired. Please buy a activation plan to continue using Android multitool. Click on OK. So now we need to buy a plan. To buy a plan, we need to go server.frunlocker.com and need to log in here. We already log in here. After login, here we already have balance. If you don't have balance, you can buy balance by clicking buy credit. So we already have balance. We are now going to buying Android multitool activation. So you need to go place an order, then server service. Then click here and search Android multitool or AMT. Now here showing 3-month activation 10 credits, 6-month activation 18 credits and 12-month activation 30 credits. So we are going to buy 12-month activation. So quantity credits. Here we need to write 13 and need to put email here. Then place an order. We already placed our order. Now we can click view server order history to view our order. Here showing is waiting for action. We need to wait until the order is completed. After 1 minute, we reload this page and it's showing order success. If we click on our order ID, then it's showing this order success within just few seconds. Now we come back to Android multitools and try to log in. Here when we try to log in, it's showing your activation plan is expired. Do you want to buy one with your credits? We click on yes. Here showing your balance have 30 credits, and from here we can choose again our plan. So we need to buy 12-month plan at 30 credits. So we click on it. It's showing successfully bought the activation plan. Please log in to continue. Okay, and log in. So successfully we are able to log in Android multitool, and it's showing 364 days. So in this way we can active our Android multitool instantly. Thanks for staying with FR Unlocker.